आराध्या ने कितनी बार आपके लिपस्टिक लेकर अपने फेस को पेंट किया है?
You know, last time when I'd come to introduce Kajal Majik, और किसी ने ये सवाल किया था कि आराध्या मेकअप की तरफ ध्यान देती है, तो मैंने कहा कि बिल्कुल नहीं, बहुत छोटी है. I said, how can you even ask me this question? मगर I'll have to share this with the world. So all this time that I've been working and I've been getting ready for my endorsements, yeah, jo bhi ho, whatever my professional work, and it hasn't been film, so it's been mainly endorsements and appearances. So even on my travels, I have been getting ready in my suite. तो मैं दूसरे कमरे में जाके तैयार नहीं होती हूँ, मैं उसी कमरे में where Aradhya will be around, so I'm still there. I'm there to be there with her, for her, attend to her, entertain her, and all of that while I'm getting ready. And at the same time, when I leave, I tell her I'm going to office. So for her, I'm going to office, getting ready. That kind of goes with the turf. So I think it's interesting, she believes this is part of my tool, all of this, whether it's a hairdryer, whether it's products or getting ready and makeup, and she associates that with my office bag. So that kind of works for me so far. You have it on record now. तो पता नहीं कितने सालों बाद अब कभी उनको दिखाएंगे. But this is the way it's been so far, and that's the way I validate it. But I admit that very recently, and literally I'll say post the Miss World honor, actually just after that, which is, so she's 3 years and 1 month, right? Around nearly 1 month, was when the first time she said, "What you doing?" And I was cleaning off my makeup. And I said, "I'm cleaning my face." And I was shocked that she knew the word makeup. She said, "No, you're taking off your makeup." It's like, oh my God, she's caught on. So yeah, she's growing up. She's caught on to the world. So far, there is no experimenting with my makeup, but she's aware. And I think girls will be girls. So before you know it, they're growing up and they're aware. So that's that.
Yeah, and I must say that she looks very angelic, just like her mother.
Yeah.
Thank you. I completely believe you on that, whether or not you're just saying it. She is my angel, and to a mother, she's angelic completely.
Like mother, like daughter.
ऐश्वर्या कल ही शमिताभ का ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ और ढेर सारे व्यूज, लाखों व्यूज मिल गए. आपने ट्रेलर देखा, कैसा लगा आपको?
Well, आप लोग तो मुझे accuse करेंगे of being absolutely biased. But you know, I think it's incredible कि the idea is fascinating, and I know more than that has been revealed on the trailer. So I'm very, very excited to see this product, to see this film. I think when Balki and Pa come together, and Pa because he's Pa to me, not because that was their last film together, I think it's great to see talents actually use the opportunity of working together and coming up with a new idea. And as a creative person, as an artist, let alone a family member, I am truly looking forward to this idea on celluloid, because I know the idea. I have, Balki has shared it with me right at the very beginning with us, and I'm very, very excited to see this, and I hope you all are too.
And we all are very excited for sure. Who's
Aishwarya
this?
here. Aishwarya towards your left, Aishwarya, here. Left.
There. Yeah. Sonup, we can see you. You need to jump a little bit. Just jump.
Yeah. And yeah, is talking about mine. It's all very confusing.
Here. If you can see.
Ladies first,
okay.
Please. Thank you.
Yeah, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि जैसे आप मतलब आफ्टर बहुत साल जब भी आप आते हो स्टेज पे ऐसे ही ब्यूटीफुल और अच्छे दिखते हो, तो इसका राज थोड़ा सा हमें बताइए. और
बहुत अच्छी टीम के साथ मैं काम करती हूँ.
और दूसरी बात है कि मेकअप
और मैं बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ जब भी मेरी टीम मेरा मेकअप और हेयर करके मुझे यहाँ आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करते हैं, तो आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू द टीम.
और आपकी मतलब हेयर भी बहुत ही अच्छी है और पहले जैसी थी, तो हाउ यू मेंटेन योर हेयर?
L'Oreal, because you're worth it.
और
seriously, I actually use I do use L'Oreal products, and I vouch for their hair care system. It's fabulous. So genuinely, just go for it.
और मेकअप किसी के ब्यूटी में कितना ज़्यादा इन्हांस करती है, किसी भी ब्यूटी को कितना ज़रूरी होता है?
मेकअप देखिए, हाँ मैं लॉरियल के प्लेटफॉर्म पर हूँ, और हाँ मैं प्रोडक्ट्स को एंडोर्स करती हूँ, और मैं यूज़ भी करती हूँ. आप लोगों ने मुझे सालों से देखा है, मैं यूज़ भी करती हूँ. तो जब मैं कहूँगी कि मेकअप इज़ मेरे लाइफ में, इट हैज़ हैड मल्टीपल रोल्स. जबकि आपने कहा कि कितना नेसेसरी है, मैं हमेशा कहूँगी कि इंडिविजुअल चॉइस है, आप पर निर्भर है कि अगर आप यूज़ करना चाहो तो यूज़ कीजिए, यूज़ करना ना चाहो तो प्लीज़ मत कीजिए. It is an individual choice. It has to make you feel good. Whatever the products you choose to use in your life, nobody can force you, and nobody should force you. It is an absolute individual choice because it has to be an extension of who you are, your personality. And I don't think a lady or a gentleman for that matter should ever compromise with their own integrity, with who they are as individuals. You have to be who you are, be comfortable in your skin. And by wearing makeup, it does not mean you're not comfortable in your skin. It does not mean you lack confidence. It does not mean you need makeup for confidence. It could just well mean your interest, like it could well be in wearing certain colors. When we say red is a powerful color, it doesn't mean you choose to wear red because you need to feel that power क्योंकि आप लोगों में कुछ कमी है. Or when you choose to wear white, you need to feel pure or project purity, or you wear black because you need to look slim or look officious. Or you wear bright colors because मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ और इसलिए मुझे आज bright colors पहनने हैं. Yeah, vice versa. I think art, colors, we have been introduced to it since childhood. I mean, Aradhya loves colors. It's the first thing that she took to. So colors is a part of our life. Art is a part of our life. And makeup to me is an extension of art. It's what you choose to do, like with your clothing, like whether you choose to tie your hair or leave your hair loose, carry a bag, not carry a bag, wear glasses, not wear glasses. It's absolutely your choice. You know, you can choose to wear contact lenses, you can actually choose to wear glasses, shades, and so on and so forth. Any kind of creativity is just that. So have fun with it and enjoy it and feel good about it. Very often, for me, I think it just became a way of life because I also chose to be an actor. So in an actor's life, makeup is, we worship it. It's part of our, it's our morning puja. The first thing we do is we worship our makeup and then start putting it on. And then at pack up, you wipe it off and then take to doing whatever else you want to personally do. Makeup has a very, very pious place and a very symbolic place in our lives, in the life of an actor. It helps you become the character. It helps you walk away from being that character. So it has different roles. At the same time, it is part of being on this public platform. Just like, I mean, it is not imperative to wear a gown or to wear a sari or to wear a suit. You can be dressed as you like. That's the only thing that I kept saying with each passing year with you all on the public platform. Ki ab being on the public platform has become so natural to me that I don't take it half as seriously as analysts do. Because I have so many varied opportunities that I will choose the occasion for what it is and dress accordingly as I think fit for that occasion. But it is not the first and last time. It's not the first and last red carpet. It's not the first and last stage I'm standing on. It's not the first and last time I'm speaking to you all through a mic or in any kind of public exchange. तो मैं इतनी मतलब I don't go as nuts about responses or work myself into a tizzy over it. It's become natural to me now. So it's become a natural part of my life being on the public platform.
Aishwarya, here.
Who's this? Where are you, sir?
Siddharth Swarup here.
Hi.
There you
Yeah,
go.
yes, definitely.
Aishwarya, it was Aradhya's first day at school yesterday. How was the day like, and does she feel like a star
You're
kid already?
scaring me. Why are you tracking me like that? Oh, ho. Who are you?
You
Please look at him
stalker. You
close.
stalker.
But no, how was it like?
It wasn't her first day. It's just school reopened after the vacation. So in that sense, it wasn't yesterday. It was day before yesterday. You kind of got it slightly wrong. It was day before yesterday was her first day post the holidays. It wasn't her first day at school altogether.
But does she feel like a star kid already?
Man, have I sat her down on a couch and got her to like analyze herself? Not really, man. She's just...
Thanks, Swarup. You sound like a star right now, my friend. That's for
I
sure.
hope not. I certainly don't think so. Meet her and say it for yourself. Watch, see for yourself.
Hi. So Aishwarya ma'am over here.
अच्छा, एक second. I will mediate this. वहाँ पे एक आवाज आ रही है यहाँ पे. When I say ask your questions, then do that, please, Nehal. Right? Okay. The lady there on my left-hand side, ma'am, go for it.
Hi, Aishwarya.
Hi.
We all know that you're going to make a comeback this year. So I want to know that how do you plan to manage both the roles? One, that of acting.
I want to know too. Honestly.
The mother that you are playing, obviously, a good one. So how will you manage the two?
Like I keep saying, I want to know too. I don't have any reference book. I think every day is an experience for what it is. And I think every working mother will vouch for that. And that bag of, I guess, whatever we go through, call it anticipation, anxiety, excitement, concern, worry, loads of affection. I think, and I'm going to say this out aloud, every working mother will go through her own pangs of guilt, and separation anxiety is more yours than the child's. I can vouch for that. So that's going to be a part of every day for the rest of our life. I don't think it has anything to do with, I mean, I'm sitting right here and, you know, y'all will never be able to read where all the mind is at. So that's, I think, our life. That's the life of every working mother. And every day is a learning curve of us finding a way to what we would call the perfect balance. And dare I say so honestly, I don't think we'd ever be able to find that perfect balance. It's a constant search. But that's life, and we embrace it, and we go with the flow.
So Aishwarya ma'am, since you have been the international face of Bollywood, and after that being crowned the Miss World title, you just made your instinct in the Bollywood. And there you just managed to work with all the big directors, producers, and all the heroes. So since you are making your comeback, so which is that thing what prompted you just make a comeback? Is that the appetite for?
Sir, agar मैं समझूं in one line, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I love the way you work out. Sir, you mean to say what motivated you to make a comeback?
Yeah, of course.
Brilliant. Ma'am, thank you, sir.
That's sweet though, you took me down memory lane, so thank you. Much as I've done everything to fight that term called comeback, it will be forever attached. Na? Matlab, hum usse kabhi dur ja hi nahi payenge. Aur hum, matlab, I mean all of us. I'm still trying. So let's see. 2015, a new beginning. Hopefully, everybody will like weed that term away. And honestly, maybe that term worked sometime back when, you know, if you did not see the artist for a while and then suddenly see the artist after a long gap, then it's a different story. But I think we have been interacting throughout on different platforms, and today lifestyles of, I think, people in the public platform, creative people from our medium has changed. So that's probably why I don't completely agree with that term. But yes, I haven't made a movie on celluloid for the last 3 years, so 3.5. So that's going to be after a bit of a gap. About once an actor, always an actor. I've always said that, and God willing, professionals willing, you can actually keep that going. So what prompted me, I think I've been very blessed and fortunate that a large part of the industry and a very excited audience and a lot of well-wishers that I have world over have been prompting me all through, along with you all, my dear, generous members of the media, who have been asking me this question probably from the very first outing I had having after delivered Aradhya. So that was a very loud prompt, and that's why I probably never felt like I have taken a step back. I have been genuinely interacting with directors, and you know, it's directors who've been bringing the scripts to me, not just script writers, and I have been interacting with them throughout. I had a lot more time, in fact, in year 1, after having delivered Aradhya, to actually have a lot more meetings. Post year 2, it has been exceedingly busy with all my other commitments completely overwhelming my everyday. So I've probably stopped at, and just yesterday I got asked this question in an interview, so I said about 5 to 6 scripts locked in. 2 announcements have already been made. The others I'm sure will be done as and when the team chooses to do. And it all of course sounds very exciting and very immediately मैंने तो हाँ कर दी, लेकिन अभी देखना है कि how we get into scheduling it. And luckily at this point in time it's all very fairly scheduled. And between currently Sanjay Gupta's film going on floor, Jazba, and Karan's soon after. So the pace of these 2 films seem perfect at this point in time to answer your question in terms of me establishing the rhythm of my personal and professional life. And once I experience that, I guess I'll be able to decide on the pace ahead. But at this point in time, it seems smooth. And since I have been working very actively, even with my endorsements and other social work in the last year, which has been also at a fairly strong pace along with my meetings, I think I should be able to find that rhythm and balance. So looking forward to that challenge.
And among from the current breed of the girls, from the current actresses, whom you would like to just gift that this red lipstick?
Sir, I'm going to give this question to your wife. You're asking about other girls. It's not a good thing.
Well done. Good
Thank
timing. Good timing.
Sir, now you can breathe with a tight t-shirt. I love you.
But I want to answer your question. Please look at every current actress's photograph in the last 2 months. Everybody is wearing red. So that's a good plus already.
I have a feeling he's going to wear a red lipstick after this also. All right, light aega. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to wrap this up. We're going to have group bites. You can get your cameras very gently close to the stage. We will entertain 2 to 3 questions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being with us.